Yep, Sanbonani, guys. Hugo Bros has just announced Bafana Bafana preliminary squad. Something I'm not happy with. Check after Begezeli Mbogazi, there's Oprim Diba and Ima Okon. Oko Orban. Guys, when did we need a Nigerian national team? Bafana Bafana. This guy is Nigerian. There's no excuse with he's half South African, he's half this guy is Nigerian, his father is Nigerian. We can't have a Nigerian in our national team. Yakhumbula we Ampurisiwa no Ribeiro. You remember Ampur we introduced Ribeiro, Castin Sereno, all these people I'm mentioning. South Africa bewafuna badlale South Africa, but we refused. So why are we having a Nigerian? Because udlala eGermany, second division. It's like udlala kumvela. It's like udlala kumvela. Why is even getting selected, guys? Like this thing must stop. This thing must stop. Angazi bazama ukuyenzani South Africa ukuthi sibe yi-nation eyi-one ne-Africa yonke lento iyenzeka la eSouth Africa. You will never find an Egyptian team playing Egypt seyifaka umuntu omnyama wase-South Africa because une-parent yase-Egypt. No. You can see the name lapha phezulu after Oprim Diba. Ima Oko. It can't be South Africa. We must not allow this thing to happen because the next thing bazothi South Africa iwina because une-Nigerian player lapha. Yabo, the next thing sekunama-Nigeria ayi-10 lapha kuBafana Bafana. This thing must stop. I've been telling you guys ukuthi Hugo Broos doesn't select ama-player, kunomuntu omselekthelayo. He's not selecting player, kunomuntu omselekthelayo.